The latest from LUCCA may look familiar. Built upon Eureka's top espresso grinder platform, the LUCCA Atom 75 is the first IoT-connected espresso grinder with Truegrind system that allows users to pull shots exactly how the roasters intended. Hi there, I'm August with Clive Coffee. Let's dive into the details of the LUCCA Atom 75 and see what all the hype is about. The bones of this grinder are that of the top-selling Eureka Atom 75. Large 75mm flat stainless steel burrs, 1400 RPM capable of dosing 20 grams in 3 seconds, an all-around great single dosing grinder with Eureka's famously quiet operation. The dimensions are identical too, standing 17 inches tall, 7 inches wide, and 9 inches deep. LUCCA took this model and added an active grind position sensor that accurately measures the distance between the burrs to a resolution of 5 microns, 5/1000ths of a millimeter. As you turn the stepless grind adjustment dial, the sensor tracks the exact distance between the burrs and displays the grind setting on the touchscreen. With the calibrated digital grind position indicator, you can instantly recall any grind setting exactly. The LUCCA Truegrind app takes this a step further with a cloud-based grind prediction AI accessible from both the mobile app and the grinder touchscreen. LUCCA created this grinder intending to solve one of the biggest challenges for home baristas, making it easier to dial in your grinder without wasting a whole bunch of coffee. To help Truegrind make the best grind prediction, you'll be asked to enter a few details about your espresso machine or select from a list of machines we carry here at Clive. Over 100 of the most popular coffees from MistoBox are already Truegrind enabled and include roaster recommended recipes specific for each type of drink. Enter in the roast date, your desired brew recipe, and the app will provide a grind setting prediction based on the information entered and the unique qualities of your coffee. Once the dial is set accordingly, pull a shot per usual and make any adjustments if needed. The grind prediction will get you very close to your ideal settings, if not absolutely perfect on the first shot. Make micro adjustments as needed and record your recipes into the app, saving up to 6 recipes for each of your favorite coffees. Whether you're a new or seasoned barista, the LUCCA Atom 75 is a great companion to anyone looking to make their morning routine easier and espresso taste better. Thanks for watching.